In this video, we're going to show you. I'm going to show you how to put the slide graphic that has already been made into the actual slider top story slider program. Okay, we're going to go on to the back end. This is the startup page when you log on. That slider extension, Unite Slide Revolutionary Slider extension, is under Components right here. That's where we'll go to get to it. But first, we need to go to Media Manager under Content and upload the slide graphic that we made earlier. Okay, as you can see, all the files have different names, the food, arts, for each menu item on the site. News, city, sports, arts. There's a file for each of those menu items, and that's how we keep things organized. Here's the Unite Slider file. I'm going to click that. I'm going to go to, first I'm going to show you I have the OPP and the Owen Sound Police sliders in separate locations so that you can access them whenever you have a media release, to try to avoid any repetition, too much repetition of graphics. I have a pretty good variety of them. Okay, we'll go to the 215 and it's March, so we'll select March. This is where we'll upload our graphic. You just press upload. You're going to browse on your computer where that graphic is. We're already in the slider file. I'm going to grab it, the demo slide, open it, and start upload. And there's the graphic. This green bar shows you that you've uploaded successfully. And there it is. I'm going to right click and copy image location. Get rid of it. You can also do that right from here. I like to click it and open it up just to take a look at it. We're going to Components and the Slider extension. And this Unite Slider Revolution Slider, it's just the most wonderful extension. It's just perfect. It's the best out there that I've seen. We're going to edit the slides, and this is the list of slides that are currently on the front page. All these slides are all listed here in their order. The first one, second one, third, fourth, and so on. Okay, the eighth one is deactivated. It has the red dot that shows that it's not live. The green dot shows that that slide is live. So we're going to go to the eighth one. We're going to open it, edit slides. We're going to rename this prayer to go along with the slide that I can identify this, easily identify the slide that we're doing right now. And in this bar, external URL, I'm going to paste the URL of that graphic that we just uploaded, the slide graphic. So I'm going to paste that and get external. When I click that, this image is going to change to the mosque. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to add this headline and this text and a link to that read more button. So we're going to go to the article and click on the full article. I'm just going to grab this headline, copy, and we're going to choose this second layer here so that we have the title, and in here we're going to this is where we're going to paste the title. I'm going to get rid of demo vid in here just for the sake of this demo, so it looks a little nicer. Now we want to figure out where we're going to put our breaks, because that doesn't look right, of course. So what we do is, I think a break would be good right between of and the. So we'll go down to this box and we'll put our cursor in between them, and we'll add this little break code. Okay, it's a chevron and a BR and another chevron, the opposite. And we'll just kind of place this in the middle a bit better. Actually, that would work. I'm going to get rid of that, backspace. I put it between the wrong letters. So we're going to put our little break code there, and then that works a little nicer. And center it. You can center this, and you can grab and drag that anywhere. Okay, we're going to center that nicely. Now we're going to highlight the text part. We're going to go back to our article, grab some text, copy, go back to the slider, and in here is where we're going to paste that text. So paste, and we're going to tighten this up because there's a little glitch in this program that'll put ends in there sometimes when you leave a space. And it's very weird, but that's what it does. And we're going to put our break here and line that. And then we're just going to find where the break should be. So I think after the and silence would be a good place for a break. After this town name would be a nice place for a break. After South Africa, I'm going to put a break. After whole and community, define it first, whole, break, and that should be it. And after even, we're going to delete the rest of that text. So delete, and we're going to put dot, 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 and we're done with the text. And now I'll highlight this read more button. If you click on that, it'll actually go to the link and you'll lose all your work. So don't click that. If you have to move it in any way, go up to the corner and move it. But if you actually click on this, it'll go to the link and you will lose everything, okay, that you've done so far. Which reminds me, you can save anytime you want, and then you won't lose it. Okay, we've highlighted this read more button. Now I'm going to go and get the URL from the article, copy, and we're going to paste that URL in between these two quotation marks. So paste, and you want to make sure that it's properly done in the right place, that there's not two L's in there. It's perfectly done in between those two quotation marks. And we're going to save it. Update slide. Go to the slider list again. And here is our prayer slide. We're going to go over to the right to this gray rectangle, and we're just going to press and drag this to whatever position we want it in. And I'm going to put it in the first position for this demo. Okay, so we could put it into the second position or the third position, but we're going to put it in the first position. And we're going to click this to activate it. And then we'll go down the list and unclick that to deactivate it, this last slide. So we usually have 7 slides running, but you could easily do more. Whatever, how many you want is fine. Yeah, we're going to go back to the home page and see if it's there in the slideshow. And there it is. It looks very nice, actually. And I like to test the read more button to make sure that it links properly to the article, which it does. And that's how you do a slider. Put a slide in a slideshow.